Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 9th English Medium Maths chapter number 2, exercise 2.4 continue. Question number 4. Factorize method. Factorization of given number. Factorization of given number. First factor 12x square minus 7x plus 1. 12x square minus 7x square plus 1. So in factorization method we have to learn in basic maths first multiplication of constant term and coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square is 12 and constant term is 1. So 12 into 1 answer. Now and set middle term by using factor of this number. So remember that here positive answer. So two possibility, both factor will be positive, both factor will be negative. In place of here minus sign, so one factor is positive, another factor is negative. Now which have factor 12? So 12 have many factors? 6 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 into 1, all are factor of this. So here we select these two factor and sign is minus because answer is minus 7. So we can take minus sign of both factor and this factor will be selected after all three factors. So answer is minus 4x minus 3x. Minus 4 minus 3. Answer is minus 7x. So in place of 7x we have to take two factors of 12 and plus 1 as it is. So in 12 and 4 we have to common 4x common. 4x common. So 12x remains 4x common. So remains part is 3 into x. X square common x, so remains part is x. 12 means 4 into 3. 4 common, remaining factor is 3. So 3x minus 1. Minus 1 common. So answer is 3x minus 1. Both bracket will be common, so return one time and another bracket. 4x square minus 1. Both have multiplication relation, now take both equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So factor equal to 0. So 4x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 by 4. One answer. And here another answer is 3x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 by 3. But here friends, in this syllabus, this not asked in our chapter, only created factor of given term. Factor of given term. In further simplification, we have to solve by this limited, which find the zeros of given polynomial. But this is not requirement. Only our syllabus only created factor. So here you can return down only this step. This step is only for understanding. Now try one question. Third question, given factor is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. 6x square minus 5x plus 6. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. 6 into 6 minus 36. So one factor is positive, one other factor is negative. So 9 into 4. 36. And a subtraction of 9 or 4, answer is 5 plus 5. So big number have plus 5 sign. Here 5 is negative sign, so big number sign is negative. 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. In place of 5x, 9 and 4. So 9x plus 4x. In those two terms, minus common. 3x is common, so remains part is 2x plus 3. So same common 2x plus 3 minus 2 will be common. So answer is 2x minus, therefore minus sign is common, so sign will be changed. So one factor is 2x plus 3 and another factor 3x minus 2. Same method, we can solve question, solve by itself. Now next question number 5. In question number 5, remember two terms. When x minus 1 factor have some roots and x plus 1 factor have some roots. So x minus 1 have which roots? So understand, sum of all coefficient will be 0. Sum of all coefficient will be 0. Then we can say that x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial, and sum of all coefficient and sum of even coefficient will be equal. Then we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So x minus 3, 2x square minus x minus 2, given term x cube minus 2x square minus x minus 2. So friends, here x cube and here x square. So x square, this only applicable when 2 means quadratic polynomial, and more than quadratic polynomial we can use this method. So first check x minus 1 factor or x plus 1 factor. So start with sum of all coefficient will be 0. It means 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. So answer is minus 1. Sum of all coefficient is 0 or not? So answer is not 0. X cube minus 2x square minus x minus 2. So which factor is common? So check x minus 1 or x plus 1. Which factor will be suitable for this polynomial? So in similar way, another question we are given x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So how to solve? So in similar second question we have to solve 1 minus 3 means 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. Answer is 0 or not? Not equal to 0. Therefore x minus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. So next check with another factor. Coefficient of odd power and even power. So odd power means 3 and 1. Answer is minus 8 and even power. So 3 and constant term also taken in even. So minus 8, it will be same. So x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So sum of odd and even coefficient is equal. Therefore x plus 1 is factor of this p of x. So p of x is x cube minus x square minus 9x minus 5. So start with, remember here careful, first x plus 1 is a factor, so common this term. So in term common, x will be common. So remains term x plus 1 common. So answer is x cube minus which term is written. So x plus 1 is a common. X plus 1 is a common. So x plus 1 common in x cube. X plus 1 common, it means x square. So x square into x cube. X cube. X square plus x. Answer is x square. But here minus 3x square. So in term x square minus x square, in term and x square common. So the remains answer x square plus, so remains answer is plus x square. So x square cube plus x square. So in term common x square, so remains plus is x plus 1 simplified. But here answer is minus 3x square. So only we have to written x square. So x square, how to convert it? Minus 3x square. So apply minus 4x square. Apply minus 4x square. So minus 4x square plus x square. Subtraction, then answer is minus 3x square. So satisfied. Now move on next step. And also x plus 1 common. Which x plus 1? In minus 4x square. So common is minus 4 and x. So minus 4 into x minus 4x square remains minus 4x plus 1. Answer is minus 4x. So here written term minus 4x. But here minus 9x. So extra add minus 5x. Clear that? Minus 5 satisfied. And then minus 5. So in two terms we have to common this. In two terms we have to common this. Now minus 5 common. So x plus 1 remains. So all term x plus 1 common. All x plus 1 have common. So remains term is x square minus 4x minus 5. X square minus 4x minus 5. X square minus 4x minus 5. And we know that x square minus 4x minus 5. So constant term multiplied by minus 5 factor. Then answer is minus 4. So 5 into 1 plus 5 minus 1. And coefficient is 1. Therefore we can direct factor x minus 5 and x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So this given answer. So friends, remember this step, two step will be important. Understand once again. We have to common x plus 1 for given term. So first we have to take x plus 1 with term to common x plus 1 x cube. So x square. Therefore x square into x cube. X square into 1 x square. So but here is minus 3x square. So set minus 3x square by using x square. So on extra subtraction minus 4x square. Then minus 4x. So minus 4 in 4x square we have to common x. So remains part is minus 4x and minus 4x. Now here is once again minus 9. So minus 5 is here. Therefore minus. So in similar once again common, and then this term is solved here. This type of polynomial we can solve by factorization method. So using this term factor of given two terms, so 3 factor will be available, and we have to solve only when factor remain fine. So remains question 5 and question 4 in homework solved by itself. Thank you friends.